Alrighty, in today's video, we are going to be looking at Moderna, ticker symbol mRNA. We're going to be kind of understanding what's going on with the stock, should you buy, sell, hold, and giving some good investment strategies for this stock. So I hope you guys enjoy it. If you guys get anything in value, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, because hey, at the end of the day, that really helps me out when you guys do that. Not to mention, we do have a course where you guys can learn all the tips and tricks about investing in the market. I'll put a link to that down below, and you guys can sign up for my free chat room. That will be down below as well. So looking at Moderna, you guys can see, just looking at the chart, you can see it has a beautiful upward trend, right? If we look at the year-to-date return, it's actually pretty solid at around 242%, which is definitely outperforming a lot of stocks, a lot of ETFs, indexes, all of that good stuff. And if we actually would have bought here at the lows about early this year and sold at the highs, that's a return of 348%. Most of us didn't do that. Like myself, we're just kind of buying some, dollar cost averaging, all of that good stuff. But what is Moderna? Well, Moderna is one of the companies that came out with the vaccine. And with the vaccine, we had a huge amount of buying pressure from that. The company was making a lot of money and all of that fantastic stuff. Stock started selling off a little bit just because it was extremely overvalued. It went up so much so quick. People kind of realized, well, this company, isn't really worth that much. So we did have a little bit of some sell-off pressure until recently, where the stock even today is up 11.8%, which is one of the largest moves that we've seen from this stock in a little bit of time. And then from there, it went up a little bit more. But if we would have literally bought it, 2 days ago, we would have a return right now of about 33%, which is a crazy move in such a short period of time. So what's going on with this? Okay. So I'll show you an article here that's kind of really explaining what's going on. So the reason why we have this crazy move in such a short amount of time is because they're ready to create a new variant vaccine. At the end of the day, that's where everyone minds at, right? We have constantly hearing of vaccines. Well, with the new variants that are coming out, Moderna is stepping in and saying, hey, you guys don't have to worry. We're going to be here creating this vaccine, and it could be ready in early 2022. So now a lot of people are saying, oh, okay, thank gosh, man, this company is worth it. They're having a new product, which is going to make them more money, all that good stuff, making this stock pop off. Okay. Now, is this going to be a fad or something that kind of, we have a little bit of growth and then sell off? Most likely that's what's going to happen. We're going to have probably a little push about $400, and then we'll start seeing some stair stepping down. That's my opinion. I do think Moderna carries a lot of potential in biotech and all of the other fantastic stuff. I just think right now, given the market that we're in, it's just a lot of fads, and I think a good strategy for Moderna would be dollar cost averaging. But the reason why I say that is because Moderna is pretty volatile, right? We've had this crazy move up, but on the flip side, if you'd have bought in, at this resistance, you're looking still at a return of minus 20%. Even all the way down here was minus almost 50% of value. So the biggest thing is, yes, it's very, very volatile. So dollar cost averaging is a good way to eliminate a lot of that volatility and still make money on the stock, because you're just being very, very consistent with your investments. So if you would have even bought up in here, and then a couple weeks later, you bought down here, and then you bought up here, and then you bought down here, and then you bought down here, all you're doing is you're just moving down your average cost. So eventually your average cost would probably be near about 330, probably right in the middle of here, okay? And then from there, you'd be up on your money just because of dollar cost averaging. It's a great way to invest in volatile stocks, and I always highly recommend it, especially for growth. But the beauty of Moderna is, yes, there could be a temporary fad where this stock pops up, but it's also in the biotech field where that still has a ton of long-term potential, which is very, very interesting. So either way you look at it, as a swing trade, or something like that. There's a little bit of opportunity in everything, which is awesome. And I'm super excited. For me, am I going to be buying more right now? No, I'm just dollar cost averaging, getting a good average price for my shares. And at the end of the day, that's all anyone should care about, because technically we are still on a short-term downward trend. We would need a break of about 400 for a 100% confirmation reversal. So super excited to see where it goes, though. It's very, very interesting, and that is pretty much it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you guys later. Remember to stay happy, stay positive, and stay safe. Take care.